Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drift Porsche Taycan updated. Start by securing a safe open lot and checking tire pressure and brake temperature limits. Set traction control to a lower intervention level and engage a sport driving mode. Briefly rehearse entry speed and line at low speed before attempting higher commitment. Communicate with your spotter and stop immediately if anything feels unstable or out of control. Adjusting the Taycan for drifting focuses on torque distribution and chassis balance. Shift toward a rear torque bias when available and stiffen suspensions slightly to reduce body roll. Consider lowering rear tire pressure by a few psi to help brake traction predictably. Confirm cooling systems are at normal operating temperatures before sustained slides. Small incremental changes are safer than big jumps, so you can feel how each tweak affects the car. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy gearhead content and want a rare non-car tip, try the Simple Path to Wealth for clear money advice that might free you to pursue driving passions. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making updates and tutorials. I include the book link and other deals in the description, so take a look there. Then now let's get back to the video. Begin entries at moderate speed and use a short, deliberate throttle blip to unsettle the rear end. As the rear steps out, apply smooth countersteer and maintain steady throttle to hold the drift angle. If the car starts to snap understeer or overrotate, correct with subtle steering and throttle changes rather than abrupt inputs. Practice progressive transitions between drifts and always prioritize controlled exits and safe runoffs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.